what's happening? So, as you all know, recently I upgraded my espresso machine from a Sage Barista Express to the Rocket Apartamento, and it's amazing. It's such a great upgrade, but there's something holding me back: the grinder. I've got a fellow opus at the minute, and I love it. I love the design. I love fellow as a company, but it's not quite keeping up with the Rocket. The guys down at Ale Coffee have sent me something to try out, get me thoughts, get me feelings, and hopefully improve my espresso game. So let's have a look. The DF64.